Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector and disconnect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the rear-facing webcam from the adhesive on the display enclosure. Remove the rear-facing webcam and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the rear-facing webcam from the static dissipative bag. Place the rear-facing webcam into position on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place. Insert the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable into the rear-facing webcam ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.